You know how girls be like, oh, I found the solution and avocado is it, and I'm just like, Hey guys, it's your girl Adepreia Maake back at it with another video. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're coming back subscriber, welcome back. And if you've already read by the title, I guess you know what you're here for. Chai. So this is my hair 1 week after unbraiding, and I haven't done anything to it. I haven't touched it, so you can see it's dry, bristle, and in the best condition to test out the effects of avocado. Why avocado? Why avocado? Freshly out of the shower feels, my face probably gave away how happy my scalp was at this point. But yes, a clean scalp and ready to take in all the nutrients from that avocado. This is my DIY avocado hair mask mixed with olive oil and castor oil.
So now I'm basically parting my hair into 4 sessions, so I have smaller portions to work with while putting in the avocado into my hair. Now I'm just rubbing the avo into my hand so we get a finer texture and we loosen up some bumps we might have not gotten out of the way while crushing it. So at this point, I haven't really felt much of a difference yet, but let's go on and see what happens. I basically rubbed the avocado into my hand to get a finer texture, as all the videos I watched had a puree close to sort of mask, and the bumps and those overdues just make it a whole other job. So just needed to get all of that out of the way before we get this mask onto my hair, getting out all those lumps and bumps from the mask so we get a finer texture. So I really took my time with this. So I tried to make sure that every single strand of hair got a bit of that mask because they all needed it. So I'm seeing a bit of life now and my texture is getting softer, but we're not yet done, so let us wait for the final results. I took my time with this. Do believe me when I say that. Well, avocado has been used for years for multiple things, but what benefits does it have for my natural hair? Braid up and enjoy all that avocado hair. And we have done the most, so we are just tucking away the hair now. Allow it to set, so we are going to put on a shower cap and leave it on for a few hours. Eight hours later. So I was just supposed to have the mask on for an hour, but life happened and I ended up having it for up to 8 hours. I hope that's not a bad thing, but yes. So let's get into it and rinse this babies off my hair. As you can see, it is totally dry already, so let's go ahead and rinse it off. I am using hot water because I just like hot water. But yeah, and I also heard that it opens up your follicles, so I haven't gone back since then. Yeah, I'm using hot water and it's not bad. It's giving me the life I wanted. So let's go ahead and get all this avo off my hair. And let's get right into the results. So this is my hair after the DIY avocado hair mask and olive and castor oil. Why avocado? So I chose avocado because avocado has great natural ingredients for moisturizing and nourishing qualities because of their oils and vitamins, and they also have amazing great fix for damaged and dry hair. So that's why my hair was a great experiment at this point. What were my expectations for this hair mask and the results? Girls, am I not getting the light? And as you have noted, if you have watched my videos, you know that I'm forever pulling faces. So I had not pulled a single face in this video. I mean, that goes to show how moisturized and soothing my hair is, guys. Even the detangling process was amazing. So, is avocado really the guru? They say it is. Is it really the alpha for moisturizing hair? I am probably the biggest avocado hater, but my hair definitely loved it. So for this mask, I was expecting expectations reached. So I got the moisturizing natural hair I wanted, and I'm grateful. Thank you, avocado. And also, avocado does act as a natural sunscreen for hair and helps protect it in the sun for those of us who live in hot areas. And if you've reached this point in the video and you really like your girl's content, do not forget to hit that like button, and please do hit the subscribe button and join the family.